boasting an ultra convenient location set on the third floor of this beautiful Archer complex. Hi, my name's Titan Davis, proudly representing Pello. I can't wait to show you through this home. It offers everything you're looking for in that upper North Shore living. Let's go take a look. As you enter the home, you're immediately struck by a sense of space and luxury, as well as brand new timber floorboards. The cleverly designed floor plan allows for an oversized kitchen whilst keeping well-proportioned living and dining zones. The kitchen is the heart of the home and offers loads of benchtop and cupboard space, preferred gas cooking and Smeg appliances. Something that I love about this apartment that I know will stand out to so many buyers in the marketplace, apart from the seamless indoor-outdoor flow, has to be the location. From Westfield to Chatswood Chase, the best of cafes to top-tier restaurants, it truly does offer it all. The accommodation is split between two generous bedrooms, the main enjoying its own ensuite and access to the outdoor terrace. Other features include internal laundry, secure parking with storage cage, and elevator access. After walking through this home, I know it offers something very special when it comes to luxury, low maintenance living. If there's any questions, give me a call, otherwise we'll see you at the next inspection.